you can hold there, I'll shoot past you.
Roger. Holding.
Walk it, Ron.
Do we cut up through the grass? I'm guessing. I don't know.
And welcome back, everybody. So today's video is going to be from a scouting run I did down at Leatherwood Offroad Park in Kentucky. I randomly ended up meeting some Muddy Buddy guides, so we explored the trails together. This is a Powerline trail that we had seen earlier that morning, and we wanted to go check it out. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
There are some tire killers in here.
Rock sticking out on the top right looks a little sketchy.
Yeah, that's what I saw. I don't know. We'll get up here and then maybe we'll walk up and look at it and see how flat it actually is.
Looks like there's another trail straight down here too, straight ahead.
Alright, I'm clear on the first bit. Oh, it's not near as steep as it looked. I mean, it's still steep, but that rock bed is actually after it levels out some.
Side thing is giving me the heebie-jeebies because I don't feel like this is. I feel like going down would probably be a little worse. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I'm okay with not. Yeah. Yeah.
Earlier in the morning, the owner had actually shown us a video of a side-by-side tumbling down this hill for at least 200 yards. So after looking at it, we decided we did not want to risk the same fate today. We then tried to go around the backside of the hill because we were told there was a trail that went around that way. Turns out it was very overgrown.
I hate to say it, but I think this is where the trail ends.
I'm glad we didn't come up over the fucking power line. Look to your right.
Huh. I think this is the side that side-by-side came down, maybe.
Somebody's driven down it. There's tracks.
That's just crazy. Do not sign me up for that. Yeah, the bushes in front have not been disturbed, so I guess I'll back up this hill here and we'll turn around.
Okay. If you can hold there, I'll shoot past you.
Roger, holding.
Hey Ron, see if you can go far enough, and then I'll go with you too, and then he can get turned around, and I'll go right there.
Because then we would have had to try and turn around up there to go back down that ridiculous hill.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot of work.
And a lot of possible death.
So keep an eye out as I alternate between KL and WK2 videos as I've started taking the Grand out on adventures while the KL is still sitting at the dealership waiting on a new rear def. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep on jeeping.